Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you example to issue electronic miscellaneous document for date change penalty on British Airways EMD. In this scenario, we have a PNR which has been ticketed for 15th May, passenger traveling on British Airways and return on 15 June. Passenger wishes to change his outbound journey from 15 May to 20th May. We will change the date and with this entry the date is changed. We have already checked the penalty for date change, which is 24 KD. Now we will have a two part of this scenario. First part that we need to do the revalidation, and the second part we will issue the EMD for date change penalty on British Airways. In order to do the revalidation, which is the first part, we will do the entry, the revalidation entry, Tango Tango Peter slash Easy Tango Roger Victor electronic ticket revalidation slash L6, which is the OAFA element, segment 2 and electronic coupon number 1. Once we will do this entry, the ticket is revalidated. The next step will be issuing the EMD, and for this our first step will be to add the auxiliary service segment in the PNR. In order to do, we will do this entry, item uniform space BA space HK1 slash Peter Easy Nancy Father. It's a service code given by British Airways. This will create an auxiliary segment at line number 4, which has been highlighted. The next step, we will create TSM, which is transitionally stored miscellaneous document mask. And the entry to create the mask will be Tango Mike Charlie slash validating carrier British Airways. If you can see at the top, the mask is created, and this is mask number 1. And the EMD type is standalone for British Airways. RFIC means reason for issuing code, and RFISC is reason for issuing subcode. It's been taken on the basis of our service code, which was PENF given by BA. Now we will update the mask with other information, and the first information which we like to update is about present at information. The entry will be TMI slash alpha for at Kuwait. The next thing we will enter present to, which is British Airways in our scenario, and the entry will be TMI slash Delta British Airways. D is stand for present to. The other information we need to update is the coupon value, which is penalty charges 24 KD. The entry will be TMI slash CV, which is coupon value, dash 24 slash F for the fare indicator, and KWD is the currency code, and 24. As soon as we will enter, this will update the mask with 24 KD value. The next entry we will update a form of payment which is necessary, TMI slash Father Peter hyphen cash in our scenario. And the last update on this mask is to insert the information for issued in conjunction with the ticket number. In order to see the ticket number, we'll go back to the PNR to copy the ticket number, which is on the line number 7, which is a FA element, and we will do the entry TMI slash IC dash ticket number. And ticket is entered. You can see the tickets entered in the mask, and our last step to receive and end of transaction. You can see at the top of the PNR, the field is populated as TSM, which is indicating that there is electronic miscellaneous documents being created. In order to display this, to display the TSM in the PNR, you make the entry TQM. In our case, it's only one TSM available, so it will display by default the first TSM. Now we will issue the EMD by entering TTM/RT. TTM is the entry to issue EMD, and we'll get the answer EMD is issued. We'll go back to the PNR to see the EMD number, which is on the line number 8. The FA element is created for the 24 KD value, and this is the new number, which is the EMD document number issued for value 24 KD. Also, we can display the EMD document number with the EWD/Lima 8, which is the FA element, and we will able to see the electronic miscellaneous document in detail. To see the EMD number in our sales report, TJQ will also show you that the information in the sales report is been updated and the EMD number is showing with the value 24 KD. The transaction code is EMDs. Thank you.